Working on a JK Dana 44, the stock limited slip. You can have a look in there. Pretty common occurrence in these JKs. All the spider gear teeth in the center are all chipped and damaged, and that was just ripe for a failure. So I'd already done a lift kit on this Jeep, and the owner, she said that the dealer was inside and noticed all of this, so I decided to step up and do a diff change for her. Pretty easy procedure on a JK. So over here is the Duragrip from Yukon Gear. You see it's a little bit of a different style inside. It's got those preload springs in there, but it is a limited slip. And I'm going to go forward and get the bearings pressed on. It's shimmed on the outside of the bearing cup, so it makes it kind of easy. You just got to press the bearings on. And I, of course, took the ring gear off the factory limited slip already. We're going to reuse that with new bolts and thread locker and new bearings from this Yukon Gear install kit. So if you have a stock limited slip, you should be checking them every once in a while once you get to higher mileage, because this is a pretty common thing.